I'm James from the Ed Center, and today we're going to talk about seed dispersal. So, why do plants make fruit? It seems crazy, right? Because they're putting all of this energy, they're spending all this time bringing in sunlight to make sugars, and then they're just giving it up in this fruit for other things. Animals are coming and eating them. Why would they do that? That seems like a huge fitness cost, right? That should lower their fitness and they should get weeded out through natural selection. But instead, it's really common. There's an entire branch of plants called angiosperms that make fruit so animals can eat them. So there must be an even bigger fitness advantage to offset the fitness cost. What is that advantage? The advantage is dispersal. So I have these blueberries here, and when they make fruit, it allows the seed inside the fruit, the little baby plant that's inside the seed, go somewhere far away. Dispersal. And that's a huge fitness advantage. Enormous. So how does that work? Well, think about these berries. Now, if I eat them, they're going to kind of go to waste because I'm probably going to end up back at my place instead of using nature's toilet, which is what birds and bears and deer use, right? So when they eat the fruit, they travel far away after eating it, and then they drop that little baby plant in their waste, in their feces, with a little deposit of manure, fertilizer for the baby plant, the seed, somewhere far away. That's huge, right? That's not the only advantage of seed dispersal. There's also social distancing. And I mean that. Social distancing isn't just an advantage against COVID, it's an advantage against all diseases. And when there's distancing between the parent and the offspring of a plant, that helps protect them against pathogens, parasites, and pests. If you have all of your relatives, all of the same plant in one small area, it's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for things that want to take advantage of you, like pathogens, pests, and parasites. So moving around is a huge fitness boost. And lastly, the third huge advantage of seed dispersal is that the offspring aren't competing with the parents for resources. Now, plants compete with each other for a couple of resources. One is space and the soil and water, and then also sunlight. That's why plants grow tall and reach towards the sky for sunlight, is they're all competing to get as high as they can to get access to that sunlight. And when you can disperse the seeds with the baby plants, the offspring are not competing directly with the parents. So those are three huge advantages to seed dispersal, and it's why plants make fruit. I actually forgot there is a fourth fitness advantage to seed dispersal, and that is to roll the dice again with your habitat. Now, the parents might be in a great environment. They might not be. They're in an environment good enough to survive, which is a good, but maybe there's a better spot somewhere else. Who knows? So when you seed disperse, then you have a chance to get to a new environment. Not only that, environments are changing all the time. So maybe it allows the plant baby in the seed, the dispersal allows them to get out of Dodge, to find somewhere new, because that old habitat is on the outs, it's degrading, and there might be a brighter future in a new land. So that is a fourth advantage to seed dispersal. Wow, no wonder they put so much energy from photosynthesizing into making those sweet fruit.